40 questions in 60 minutes. Are you fast enough? We're talking about the IELTS reading section, which comes with a tight timeline. Hi, I'm Nivisha, and today we look at the 5 most important IELTS reading tasks and the strategy to score a band 9. The IELTS reading section is designed to test a variety of reading skills. For example, main ideas, attention to detail, skimming, understanding logical argument, understanding gist, and recognizing opinions, attitudes, and purpose. The test format remains the same for both academic and generalized. The only difference is in the type of reading extracts that you are presented with. While reading might seem like a simple task, it's not. The timeline for the test is tight and there is a huge variety of question styles that you can encounter. Hence, it is best to put in the effort and prepare well in advance. There are 11 types of tasks that you can find in the reading section. Let's focus on the 5 most important ones. Type 1 is multiple choice. Here you are required to select the best answer from the alternatives provided. Multiple choice tests a wide range of reading skills. The question may involve completing a sentence where the first part of a sentence is given and then you have to choose the best way to complete it from the options. Or there will be complete questions for which you have to select the best answer. To understand the format, take a look at the sample question. Type 2 is identifying information. In this category, you are given a sentence and you have to write whether the sentence is true, false, or not given. Do not use your knowledge to decide the answers in this section. Just focus on what is written in the passage. Let's look at this example to understand the format better. Practicing reading will help improve your concentration and you'll be able to grasp information faster. Self-practice is good, but expert guidance is even better. Try the LeapScholar free IELTS demo, attend an interactive live class with India's top IELTS educators. Get your profile evaluated, resolve your queries, and pick the right path ahead. Majority of our students score a 7+ band. You could be next. Click on the link in the description to reserve your seat now. Moving on, let's look at type 3, that is, identifying writers' views or claims. The aim is to understand how well you recognize opinions and ideas. You'll be given a number of statements and asked, do the following statements agree with the views of the writer? You have to analyze the sentence and mark yes, no, or not given in the boxes on your answer sheet. Here's what a sample question would look like. The next one is type 4, matching headings. For this task, it's important that you are able to classify the main idea and separate it from the supporting ideas in a passage. You'll be given headings and you have to match them to the correct paragraphs. There are always more headlines than number of paragraphs, so it's okay if some headlines are not used. Take a look at this sample. The last one, type 5, diagram label completion. This task assesses your ability to understand a description in detail. The given diagram may be of a type of machine, parts of building, or any other element that can be represented pictorially. This task type is often used with text describing processes or with descriptive text. Your job is to complete the labels on the diagram. Remember, your answers should be within the word limit provided. Here's an example. We've covered some typical task types. Now it's time to move on to the strategy. You can score a band 9 if you plan your time and responses well. Here are some points that will help. Number 1, read blogs, newspapers, etc. A regular reading habit will enhance your reading, grasping, and vocabulary skills. Number 2, understand the question well. There are 11 types of questions in the reading section. You must have a clear understanding about each question type and the ways to answer the questions. Number 3, strong vocabulary and grammar. A good vocabulary will help you write better responses as you'll be able to use synonyms and paraphrasing smartly. Also, your answers must not contain any grammatical errors. Number 4, reading speed. The reading section has strict timelines. To complete everything in the provided time, your reading speed and understanding power should be impeccable. Number 5, lock your approach. Understanding the full passage takes time. So you need to decide your approach. You have two options. Number 1, read the passage first, read, underline keywords, and then go to the question section. After reading the question section, search for the answer. Number 2, read the question first. Read the questions, then read the passage. You can choose a strategy that is convenient for you. Talking about strategy, you will find our free demo session really helpful. Our IELTS experts evaluate your profile and give you detailed feedback. So don't forget to click on the link in the description and reserve your seat for free. That's all for today. Hope you found this session helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any doubts and stay tuned for the next session. Happy learning!